Alright, we are back, and this time we're going to install our brackets. Okay. Let me see here. Alright, this bracket, let me see. Okay, this one goes up here. Alright, one word before I start doing some of these brackets is, this block I sent to the machine shop, so it shouldn't, it was 5,000 miles ago or last year, it shouldn't have anything in the holes that I plan on putting bolts through, and I can feel that it's pretty clean. What you may want to do is take a pick, and you may have dirt daubers in here, I don't know, but you want to, you could use a vacuum cleaner and poke at it, clean it out, run some WD-40 in there, suck it out. Mine are super clean. What you don't want is dirt at the end of your bolts. I'm going to take some of this and just blow it out. There's nothing in there. But what you don't want is for you to start putting a bolt in and there's something already at the end, and you really, you're at the end of your getting tight, you're compressing something inside the block, and it could break the block, I guess. I mean, anything is possible, right? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lubricate all of my bolts just a little bit, that way you can properly seat it. I'm going to do all my bolts. I was going to wear the GoPro on my head, but it just didn't seem to work out too well that way. Ooh-wee. Looks like we're running into a little something. Well, for some reason, this is the one that came off this truck. Oh. Alright, so I just mounted the bottom. I just realized that, so I had this piece up here and it wouldn't bolt up. Well, I went and looked, and I had two of these. Well, one of them has an indentation cut out for that, so that it fits. So apparently, I pulled one from maybe a 2.0 block, and then this one goes on the 2.2 block, best I can figure. So I'm going to start bolting it up too. I do have the torque specs on this somewhere. I'm going to look it up, but for now I'm just going to get it pretty tight. I never followed a torque spec on this before, but I'm sure you can get it too tight. It won't hurt anything. Okay. Okay, we'll come back and check this out. Alright, that's that. Now, wanted to talk about this. This right here is a It mounts like this to the core support. Let's see if I can see it better. Mounts to the front of the, you know, I'll show you. Let's see here. Get ready. So, let me cut my light on. Alright, so it mounts here, and it helps hold the lines in place, but I found that using this, the lines end up rubbing against each other, and they go through this hole. So what I'll probably do is take my air saw and just cut down through here, maybe cut all the way through. And then I'll just probably, because on the other truck I don't have it. It does fine. I ended up cutting out some of this anyway, and I put some rubber in there. And I'll probably do the same thing just so that it doesn't rub or anything. And I think this is it. The lines are starting to rub, you know, so I'm just probably not going to use it. Yep. And that's how that is. All mounted and ready for the compressor. All new. All right.